Welcome dear viewers. Today I'll talk about the Jupiter-Saturn conjunction which took place in Capricorn, in the sign of Capricorn in 2020 on 20th November, and it will continue. It will because Jupiter will stay in Capricorn for 1 year, so this conjunction will remain very strong and very active till 21st November, that is till 20th November 2021, till 20th November 2021, that is this year. So but now what results it will give? Now, as I told you, Jupiter is a planet of wisdom, knowledge, dharma, religion, duty, expansion, growth, and Saturn is the planet of karma, your work, your profession. It is also the planet which may give you sorrow. It is also the planet of punishment. It is the planet of justice. It is the planet of longevity also, transformation also in a way. Means it is the planet of death in a way, and also it is a planet of transformation. Okay, so now what you will see, now what results it will give you. Now because it's happening in the sign of Capricorn, so Saturn is very powerful here, but then again it is in Uttarashara Nakshatra. It is happening in Uttarashara Nakshatra, which is ruled by Sun. So Jupiter is also powerful, and Jupiter, because it is in Capricorn, it is considered to be debilitated, but then we have to see that Jupiter is sitting with Saturn, and Saturn is in Capricorn, so there is a Neech Bhang Raj Yoga of Jupiter. The debilitation has been cancelled, so Jupiter is also powerful. But Saturn is, no doubt, Saturn will be a little more powerful, and it is also believed that Saturn is going to control this conjunction to a great extent. So this conjunction will definitely influence your professional life a lot, because Saturn, Lord Saturn, is the Karaka or the significator of your profession, of your work. Okay, so now suppose in the Lagna you have Cancer sign, that is you are a Cancer ascendant. If you are a Cancer ascendant, then this conjunction will form in your 7th house, because in the 7th house there will be the Capricorn sign. Then what kind of results can you expect if it happens in the 7th house? Now in the 7th house is the house of your marital life. The 7th house is the house of your independent business also. Yes, so 7th house is such a house. Now if Saturn is sitting there, Saturn in the Kalpurush Kundli, Saturn gets exalted in the 7th house, because 7th house is the house of Libra, so is a ruled by Libra. So that is why Saturn will give you good results as far as your profession is concerned. It will gets exalted there in the Kalpurush Kundli. So in the 7th house it will give you good results in your profession, because 7th house is the 10th house from the 10th. That is, it is the 10th from the 10th house, which is the Bhavat Bhavam concept. So 7th house is also the house of career actually in a way. So Saturn will give you good results, but provided you are disciplined, provided you are following the path of righteousness and justice, then only and discipline, then Saturn will give you good results in your professional life. But as far as your marital life is concerned, or conjugal life, there Jupiter will give you good results. Yes, Jupiter is there, but because Saturn is there, and so there may be some misunderstandings might be there also. Yes, it may be there, but one more thing is, you have to remember that because you are now your Saturn will improve your professional life, so you may be more inclined towards your profession, you may neglect your family life, that may happen. So you need to balance the two. You need to strike a balance between your personal and your professional life, then you will have a happy conjugal life also. And 7th house aspect will go to the 1st house, and then your health also will be good. Overall personality will be good. Otherwise, if this 7th house is affected, then 1st house, that is the house of health, also will be affected, because Saturn and Jupiter, both of them will have their aspect on the 7th house. They will have the 7th aspect on the 1st house. We are discussing only the 7th aspect, because both Jupiter and Saturn together they are in conjunction, and both of them have the 7th aspect. So we are not considering the other aspects of Jupiter and Saturn here. Okay, so now let us go to this second sign for today, that is after the Cancer sign. Let us go to the Leo sign. Suppose Leo sign is in your Lagna, in the ascendant. So if the Leo sign is in the ascendant, then this conjunction will happen in your 6th house, because in the 6th house the sign of Capricorn will be there. So if it happens in the 6th house, 6th house is an Upachaya house, and it is also a Dusthan Bhav. So Saturn will give good results in this house. He gives good results. He will make you disciplined. 6th house is also in the Kalpurush Kundli the house of Virgo. And 6th house is the house of your service, of your job. job is nothing but discipline. Every day you have to go at the same time. That is normally what job is, and you have to come back also. So at the same time, so that discipline is something which is signified by job or service. So Saturn loves discipline. So Saturn will give you good results if Saturn is in the 6th house. And it will also help you to win over your enemies. It will give you the courage to face your enemies and all that, because you will become disciplined. So it is good. Now if Jupiter is there, then you may have some health problems relating to stomach and all. You may have some problems, so you need to be careful, yes, about what you eat and about your health. You need to be careful. Then and you need to be careful about your loans and all. Don't take up loans again and again, otherwise there will be an increase in your loans, because Jupiter also expands things. So be careful about loans and diseases. Otherwise, as 6th house, Jupiter and Saturn both together, they will give you good results. Now in the 5th house, from the 6th house, the direct aspect will go to the 12th house. Obviously 6th house is the house also of diseases and all. So if your health is not good, then 12th house is the house of sleep. Then you will not be able to, there will be some disturb in sleep. Yes, that is there. And 12th house is also the house of everything, also foreign lands. Maybe your service, that your job you are doing, maybe you are working for a foreign company. Yes, so you will be able to do well. If you are if the 6th house is balanced, then the 12th house also will be balanced. You will get good results from the 12th house. You may suddenly get a promotion, and maybe you may even have to travel to a foreign land. Yes, if you are very disciplined in your job, then Saturn will give you good results. There may be some delay, but you will get, because it's aspecting directly the 12th house. Now suppose this conjunction, and let us go to the next sign, that is in the Lagna. If you have the suppose if you have which sign? Virgo. So now comes Virgo. If you have Virgo, then in the Capricorn sign will come to the 5th house. And Saturn and Jupiter conjunction is happening in Capricorn, so it will influence, this conjunction will influence your 5th house. 5th house is the house of children. 5th house is the house of creativity. Yes, 5th house is also sometimes considered to be the house of higher education, though higher education is also seen from the 9th house, and basic or primary education is seen from the 4th house. Now 5th house is also the house of your romantic relationships. Yes, 5th house is the house of creativity, any kind of creativity, whatever you create on your own. Yes, creative skills, that is seen from 5th house. So Jupiter will give you good results pertaining to all the matters of 5th house. But Saturn is there, so there will be some delay. There will be some delay in getting the good results of 5th house. 5th house, they will directly aspect your 11th house. Now if you can, in the 5th house matters, if you do well, supposing you use your creativity for a constructive purpose, then that will give you gains, because 11th house is the house of gains. And your children, it is the house of your children. Maybe if you raise your children well, and if you maintain a good cordial relation with them, then definitely they are your future. So in a way, so definitely it will be a gain for you if you are able to raise your children, and if you are able to get if your children also do well, then that will be ultimately that's going to be a gain for you. 11th house is the house of gains. Yes, and gains from also romantic relationship. Finally you may get married. That is the gain of any usually of any romantic relationship. Okay, now let us go to the next sign. The next sign is the sign of Leo. Now for example, the sign of Leo is in your is it the sign of Leo? Sorry, Libra. Sorry, suppose Libra is in your Lagna, in the ascendant. If you are a Libra ascendant, then this conjunction will happen in your 4th house, because in the 4th house there will be the sign of Capricorn. So this conjunction, if it happens in the 4th house, then in the 4th house Jupiter will give you good results. Jupiter will give you, you will have a good relationship with your mother will be prosperous also, healthy also, she'll be religious also. Yes, she'll inspire you in many ways, to do your duty towards your home. Yes, but because Saturn is there, so there will be some hurdles. This 4th house is the house of your happiness, your joy. It is a Sukh-sthan. So there will be some obstacles in gaining happiness in life. Yes, happiness from your house. Yes, from your home, happiness from your mother. So there may be some delay, because Saturn is there, and there will be obstacles, and Lord Saturn will test you. You have to overcome all those obstacles. Yes, by following the path of righteousness and justice, then finally you will be able to experience happiness also. Yes, at home. and that will definitely impact your 10th house. If you are happy at home, if there is a peaceful atmosphere at home, then definitely you do well in your career. There is a direct relation. Then Saturn Jupiter conjunction is also aspecting the 10th house, and 10th house also, they will give you good results in your career and profession. Okay. Now let us go to the last sign perhaps for today. Yes, the last sign. Now in the ascendant, if you have that is Scorpio sign, that is number 8. If you have Scorpio sign, then this conjunction will be formed in the 3rd house. That is, in the 3rd house the sign of Capricorn will come, and then this conjunction will influence your 3rd house. 3rd house is the house of your efforts, your hard work. Yes, 3rd house is the house of your courage. Yes, 3rd house is also related to your hands. No, it also signifies your hands. So because Jupiter is seated there, it will give you knowledge. Yes, and also it is the house of communication. You will be a good communicator. Yes, you will have the knowledge of communication, and because hands, it also shows hands, so you can you may be a very good writer. Yes, so that is also important. You have to because Jupiter is sitting there, you will be a good writer, and Saturn is there. Saturn also shows your work. So, and this 3rd house also, you know, it also shows whatever work we do with our hands. It could be any kind of handicrafts, it could be writing work also. Yes, the job of a writer also. So that is why Saturn also will make you a writer here, and even Jupiter will bless you with the knowledge that you require. So, and this is also an Upachaya house, so Saturn will give you good results if you work hard, if you make efforts. Saturn loves those who makes efforts consistently and who don't bother about, you know, getting quick results, because Saturn is a slow moving planet. So if you are consistently putting in your efforts along one particular direction, then definitely Saturn will give you good results. And if the aspect is falling, if it is influencing the 3rd house, it will definitely give you good results, and Jupiter also will give you good results. And both of them here, if you can do well, if you work hard, if you if you're doing hard work along a certain constructive direction, yes, if you're putting in efforts properly, then definitely that aspect is falling on the 9th house. 9th house is the house of your bhagya, of your luck, of your fortune, of your father. So in all these, it's also the house of your religion, your duty. If the 3rd house is improved, if the 3rd house results you get, if you do well in the 3rd house, then definitely 9th house results also, you will get good results pertaining to the 9th house. You work hard, your luck and fortune also will be with you, because God also helps those who help themselves. So definitely 3rd and 9th, they are connected. So that is why it is very important to remember this. So friends, these were the results, you know, that Saturn Jupiter conjunction will give, you know, these signs from Cancer to Scorpio. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell notification. Thank you so much.